In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign tasks on monday.com. Start by opening monday.com and signing into your account. Once you're in your workspace, look at the left sidebar where all your boards are listed. If you already have a task management board, click to open it so you can work inside an existing setup. If you don't see one, you can create a new board and name it clearly so your team recognizes what it's for. A simple, organized board makes everything else easier. Inside the board, you'll create a task. Many new boards include a starter row labeled Item 1. Click directly on that row to begin and replace the placeholder with your task title. Keep the name short and action-focused so it's easy to scan in a long list. For example, you might type cleaning. You can always add more context later in the updates or description, but a clear title helps your team know what the work is at a glance. Now assign the task to the right person. Locate the people column, often labeled person. Click the empty cell on the same row as your new task. Then search or scroll to select the teammate who will own the work. Assigning someone sets responsibility and, depending on your workspace settings, can notify them right away so nothing slips through the cracks. Next, set the task's status. In the status column, click the colored label and choose the option that best reflects where things stand. Options like to do, working on it, or done are common. Consistent status updates help your team filter tasks, track progress, and keep meetings focused on what truly needs attention. Then add a date so the task has a clear timeline. Click in the date column and pick a due date from the calendar. If your team uses timelines or distinguishes between start and due dates, select the date type your board is configured for. Setting dates keeps schedules realistic and makes dashboards and workload views accurate. That's the core workflow. Open your board, create a task, assign a person, select a status, and set a date. If your board already includes these columns, you're good to go. As you work, you can refine task names, update statuses as progress is made, and adjust dates if priorities shift, keeping everything transparent and up to date. Follow these steps whenever you add new work, and your monday.com board will stay clear, accountable, and easy for your team to trust.